Lebanon's livestock farmers are facing huge challenges due to the soaring fodder prices caused by the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The conflict in Ukraine, a major global supplier of animal feed, has forced livestock farmers in Lebanon to pay higher prices for animal feed.
The prices of fodder have increased by 40 to 50%. In the past, each 2.5 buckets of milk could buy a bag of fodder. Now, we need every day 5 buckets of milk to buy 1 bag of fodder.
So the price of 1 kilogram of fodder is equal to the price of the 1 kilogram of milk.
We are not able to continue. We do not know what to do.
Lebanon has been suffering from an unprecedented financial crisis amid shortage of US dollar, promoting a collapse for the Lebanese pound. Lebanon imports over 70% of its consumer products, posing great challenges on the country to secure sufficient foreign reserves to import its needs. Lebanon's crisis was further exacerbated by the Russia-Ukraine conflict, which led to a worldwide drop in production and exports.